9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of Starlink 3-2. Go Falcon 9.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal. Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle supersonic.
As you just heard, Falcon 9 is now traveling faster than the speed of sound.
Max Q.
Falcon 9 has now passed through max Q, the maximum dynamic pressure that it will feel during flight.
MVAC chill has started.
With that call out there, we heard that the second stage is preparing to ignite its Merlin vacuum engine. We're less than 1 minute away from main engine cutoff, stage separation, and second engine start.
Acquisition of signal, code quest.
Beautiful view of the California coast there in the background behind the first stage.
Pico. Stage separation confirmed. MVAC started. Bearing separation confirmed.
All right, and as you saw right there, those fairings deployed. Today marks the third flight for one of those fairing halves and the fifth flight for the other. As usual, we will be attempting to recover these once again after they fall back to Earth. On the left-hand side of your screen, we can see the first stage as those grid fins have deployed, and the second stage on the right-hand side of your screen as that MVAC engine nozzle begins to glow orange. Everything continues to look good for both the first and second stages. We can see that the first stage on the left-hand side of your screen has peaked and is now making its descent back to Earth.
Vehicles on a nominal trajectory.
As a reminder, today's payload is for SpaceX's satellite internet constellation, Starlink. The next major event that we have coming up in about a minute is Stage 1 entry burn, where we reignite 3 Merlin engines at the base of the first stage, the center engine and 2 radial engines. We relight those as in preparation for the first stage's re-entry through the Earth's atmosphere.
Second stage is following a nominal trajectory.
Stage 1, FTS has saved.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
As you can see, Stage 1 has reignited 3 of its engines to help slow it down for atmospheric re-entry.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Second stage is following a nominal trajectory.
Stage 1 transonic.
As we just heard there, first stage is now traveling near the speed of sound.
Expected loss of signal, Vandenberg.
Stage 2, FTS has saved.
We're now coming up to the landing burn for that first stage that you see there.
Stage 1 landing burn.
The first stage has lit 1 engine, the center engine, to prepare for landing on our drone ship. Of course, I still love you.
Terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
As you can see there on your screen, Falcon 9 has landed, marking SpaceX's 56th first stage landing on our drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, and our 125th Falcon 9 landing overall.
TCO 1,